Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable the power saving mode or battery saver on Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro. To do this we need to open settings. In the settings you want to scroll down to find the battery settings, which I have mine over here. And now in order to change to the battery saver we need to select the current mode over here on the right side, and then you have 4 options, 2 of which are battery saver options. The first one is the battery saver and the other one is ultra battery saver. So if you want to use the battery saver, select this option, then you have the information about this feature. You'll see the information how much hours and minutes you can potentially get, and some restrictions that will be applied in order to save that battery. So if you press OK, then you will see the information that battery saver is now enabled. And there you go, that's pretty much it. In addition to that, you can go to the battery saver settings in order to find out what you can also enable and disable. So if you want to manage the battery saver, you can do that over here. If you want to exit the battery saver, then of course you can choose the balanced mode over here. Now, in addition to that, you can also scroll from the right side, on the right side from the top to the middle, in order to open the control center. And then you should also be able to find this icon with battery and plus, and if you press it, then you will also enable the battery saver. So this is like a shortcut for the battery saver as well. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.